on, bro. Yeah, bro. I'll be out here homeless, putting on stuff, nigga. I got my bitch and all that, bro. On my mama, and I didn't talk to the big homies and all that, bro. Oh, nigga. Watch out, bro. What you own out here, nigga? Watch out, bro. I don't even fuck around. I'm on there on the set. Now I do my own shit, bro. Nigga, play that shit, nigga. Come on. Back the fuck you, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah, bro. I'll be out here homeless, putting on stuff, nigga. I got my bitch and all that, bro. On my mama, and I didn't talk to the big homies and all that, bro.
Gangsta crib. I'm gonna say this one time this morning. I ain't gonna say it a lot of times. Hey, Grove, you niggas got this H-star tatted on your body, nigga, and this shit means something to you, and you out here popping your booty, nigga. Get this shit covered up, Grove. Stop walking around with H-stars, nigga, and FDs, Salos, and 5 deuces, and 9 fours, and 5 nines, and 107s, and 11 deuces, 8 trays, and 7 4. Nigga, get that shit off your body, nigga, if you did some gay shit, nigga. If you know in your life, nigga, you done sucked the dick, or nigga, you done put some in your booty, nigga, get the set off your body, nigga, because you niggas making the set look bad, you boo-boo ass niggas. You niggas is poo, feed, pack, nigga. If a bitch ever seen me, if a bitch ever catch me on my knees doing some gay shit, bitch, if you ever caught me eating a booty, licking a booty, bleed me, bitch. If you catch me shaking my booty, bleed me, bitch. I whips pussy, nigga. That's it. Hoover Street, no defeat, nigga. Gangsta crib.
Go ahead, talk, brother.
I don't give a fuck what a nigga seen. Come from 107th Street.
What's you, bro?
Oh, it don't matter.
Oh, Hoover, she exposed.
I gotta deal with my bitch, nigga. I to speak up on, nigga, on crib. My bitch,
on Hoover, you right. On Hoover, hey, tell the bitch don't be sending it to people, bro. Because niggas is really out here, fool. On Hoover, niggas be tripping off that type of shit.
Dude, they get mad at hoes on these bitches. Her name Smoke.
Bro, check it out, fool. On Hoover, my nigga. Shotty.
On Hoover, what?
On Hoover, nigga. You know where my mama stay at, my nigga. Same location, same everything on Hoover, nigga. I'm outside right in front of the house, bro. On Hoover, if you want me to pull up to you, bro, we can go discuss this as man and all that. My nigga on live, full face value, bro.
But what? We on live now? That shit.
No, fuck that, my nigga on Hoover, my nigga, because I know what the fuck I seen, bro.
Everybody seen it. What that mean? That's my bitch, nigga.
You think that shit groovy, bro?
Said it was. Go Google that.
So you think the homies from Salo gonna like that though, Salo?
Go Google that.
Baby Shadow, that's on my uncle grave, my nigga. You know how I feel about Salo, bro? Stop playing with me, my nigga.
Snap, you ain't no nigga me like that, bro. You stop back, bro.
Stop playing with me, my nigga. 716, my nigga. Deuce 47, bro. You know what time it is, nigga. I'm Hoover, nigga.
You're not Hoover. Don't talk to me like that.
Guess what? I'm out here. All that. Whatever you talking about. Guess what? I'm still with the I'll pull up on you. I'm Hoover.
No, I heard about you.
At least I ain't bending over, nigga, and show no bitch my ass, no none of that, nigga, on camera, bro. You did some whole shit, bro.
You right, you right.
And on Hoover, my nigga, you already know what it is, bro, when I catch you, bro, on Baby Shadow, nigga. And the Salos don't know about it, nigga.
You pop.
Bam, bam, all that shit, nigga.
Instagram, you ain't even know nigga, bro.
Guess what, though? Snap out here, fool. On Hoover, nigga, I'm tired of man on Hoover. I'm tired, bro. I'm not listening to nothing else, nigga. I'm tired of a nigga popping and talking about some nigga snapping you talking like you a nigga. On Hoover, nigga, I am that nigga. Shotty, you know.
You are.
Don't do that.
You are.
I just seen you a week and a half ago, fool. Shotty, you know.
Shorty, you know.